to my Gracefully EU Tips channel. On this very video today, we are going to be making natural apple juice. Yes, so I'm going to be making this juice just for one person. Okay, so these apples are pretty small, so it's just for one person. So we'll just be needing only two ingredients, which is apple and water. So I'll advise you use a pink lady apple if it's available, because it's the sweetest of all apples. So if you have the privilege of getting pink lady apples, please do. But if not, just take any apple of your choice, or any apple that is available for you at that moment, and you can make use of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and be cutting off the apple core. So if peradventure you happen to get apple that is not really sweet, because apple sweetness depends on the season, so you can just add a little syrup. The syrup is sugar and water boiled together and a bit thickened, so that is what a syrup means. So you can add a little bit of syrup or honey to get the sweetness of your juice. So I'll just go ahead now and dice the apples to be able to get easily blended, or yes, easily blended with my fruit mixer. So I'm going to be using the fruit mixer for this apple today. I use the fruit mixer because it doesn't totally smoothen the fruit, yes, because my fruit mixer that I'm using comes in a set that you have the one for smoothie, you have the one for different for just mixing your fruits. So I'm gonna be using the fruit mixer, and first I'll just put this away, and then I'll show you what I'm trying to talk about my fruit mixer and my smoothie mixer. Okay, so this is the fruit mixer I'm telling you about. It comes with a filter. Yes, it comes with a filter, and another plastic that anyway, it's a plastic. So it comes with a filter and something else that I can use to push in the fruit when it refuses to go down to the blade. So I'm just going to be installing the filter inside. This filter helps your fruit not to be totally blended. This is the work of the filter. Yes, so we'll be using half cup of water, which I already told you before, and these are the two only ingredients I use for my natural juice apple, and I don't regret it. And I'm sure if you give this recipe a try, you're not gonna regret it either. So just go ahead and add the fruit into the fruit mixer, and then add a little bit of water. I'm not gonna put all the water at once. I will add like half of the water that I have, and then at the end of it I'll also add the other half. So I want to use this privilege to thank all my subscribers, my returning subscribers. Oh my goodness, you don't know, though we don't know each other in person, but you don't know how much I love you all. Thank you all. Thank you for putting me in there, for trying to push me, for trying to support me, for making use of the comment section, letting me know where I'm going wrong and when I'm going right about my videos. God bless you all. And if it's the first time you're coming across my video, what are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button. Yes, that place that is written subscribe. Just click on it. It's gonna appear 3 bells, and then click on the top bell. That will notify you each time I upload a new video. Okay, so please, if there is anything you think about this video, or you want me to do about any of my upcoming video, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section, or you can also contact me on my Instagram, which is gonna be on the description box. Okay, everything is gonna be on the description box, my contacts, everything you need, and make sure you make use of the comment section of this video. Thank you very much. So I'm done blending the fruit, so I'm just gonna be straining the juice, because what I need is the juice. Okay, this is not a smoothie, so I'm gonna be straining for like 2 to 3 times. You can strain it once if you want to, you can strain it 2 times, depends, but I decided to strain mine up to 4 times because what I needed was the juice. So just watch me how I strain it. So if you think the juice is too thick for you, you can just go ahead and add a little bit of water. Don't add too much water in order for the juice not to lose its natural taste. So I'll just go ahead now and strain out the juice from the fruit. And the fruits of in the strainer can also be used for a smoothie. Yes, you don't have to throw it away. If you know you have a smoothie plan, or you have the time, or you need to prepare a smoothie, you can add this fruit in the strainer to your smoothie recipe. Okay, it is not a dead fruit, so you can add it to your smoothie recipe. Okay, so I'm done straining and for the first round, so I'm just gonna go like 2 more or 3 more times before I totally get the full juice that I want. And if you haven't watched my video of how I make my detox pineapple ginger juice, the description will also be below in the description box, and which is the link. And if you know you haven't watched a lot of my videos, I'll be putting some on my description, in the description box of this video. Please just go ahead and take your time to go through my channel and my videos. Take your time, go through my videos. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, give this video a thumbs up. Share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to your sisters, share it to your brothers, share it to oh my goodness, I know you all are gonna say gracefully plays too much. I love to play, okay? I mean, I know this is a recipe, but that doesn't mean I should keep my fam, quiet. No, we can be working and having fun, right? So we can be cooking and having fun. We can be making recipe and having fun. So I just love you all. I love you all. I'm happy because I know I have you to watch this video. I have you to give this video a thumbs up. I have you to comment on this video comment section. I have you to share it out on your social platform. I have you to share it out to your family, your friends. I have you to also give this recipe a try and testify, okay? So this is the final result after sieving my juice 4 times. So you can just decide to drink it like that, or add some ice cubes. So I decided to add some ice cubes and bamboo straw. I mean, this straw is something you should give a try. It's reusable. It's made of bamboo and it's bio. It's organic. Yes, it's organic straw, and it's reusable. So this is the end of our juice. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Until that time, stay safe, stay blessed. Mwah! Bye.